folks, JD here, and a slightly different angle today because my camera's on charge and the cable isn't long enough for me to have it where I usually have it. So, a couple of things before we get into what's coming this week. The weather has been really bad with us recently. So all the deliveries that were meant to arrive last week haven't arrived yet. So as a consequence, rather than not put any videos out, what I've done is I've gone back through the video archive and I've picked out some of the best videos that I haven't released yet. So this week there's a load of drone stuff, car stuff, helicopter stuff, just a load of different, quite varied things that I hope you'd enjoy. So that's number one. Number two, shoutouts. So my interests in life are extremely varied and extremely wide. There are a load of YouTube channels I subscribe to, and I think that now that this channel is getting quite large, thank you. I think it's nice that I give a couple of shout outs to a couple of channels that I've been subscribed to for quite a while and that I watch quite a lot of videos of. It's always quite difficult to get around and watch a lot of videos, but whenever I've got 5 minutes I always try and jump on, whether it's on my phone or my tablet or whatever, and just try and watch. So before I start listing off all these channels, I'm going to put them in the description as well. It might be a little bit easier for you guys to find these guys' channels. So number one, True Drone Reviews. Number two, Big Drone Flyer 77. Number three, SG1 Gadgets and Audio. Number four, CaptCook. Number five, RC Multirotors. And number six, Manc and RC Fun. No, let me try that again. And number six, Manc and Family RC Fun. There we go, right. These guys are awesome. I've been watching these guys for a long time and feels as if I know them, even though I don't know them. But go and check them out. They're in the description anyway. So, what's coming this week, right? You've waited long enough. So, this. So this is what we've got this week. So as I say, it's as varied as I can possibly make it. Obviously without actually planning things like I normally would and then going out and testing them. So the plan now for this week is to get all the deliveries to come to me, which they are literally in this country. They've just got to be delivered. So once that has happened, then I'm going to go out on the weekend and do what I usually do. And then hopefully then by next week we can start going back to having all the usual stuff. So I hope this is good. I hope you enjoy. It's certainly a lot of stuff that I hope to put out a lot sooner than this, but then other drones came along, other vehicles came along, and these have just been slipping down and down the list. So this is what we've got. I hope you enjoy. I hope you all have a great week as well, folks. Thanks ever so much for everything that you do with the channel. Keep those comments going. If you've got any recommendations, keep those coming. If you've got any videos you want me to make on cars, drones, helicopters, plane that I've flown, again, keep them coming. And yeah, well, I hope you all have a great week, folks, and I'll see you very, very shortly. So thank you very much, folks, and happy flying.